guys, welcome back to my channel, Fiona. So today I would like to do a tutorial makeup. Not a tutorial because I'm not a pro and I'm still trying to learn how to make on myself. You know that wasn't a sale and I managed to bought some items from there, which is Mascara, the Hyper Curl Volume Express. I managed to got two of this because two it's cost for 33 ringgit for two. This from Maybelline and by Color Sensational. This is the creamy mix and the code was 656 clay crutch and I bought 650 by Nude Embrace. These two from Color Sensational, which is I dah buka satu and I tak sabar sangat nak pakai ni sebab dia a very pure nude. I love this color. Cuma when I apply to myself, I look pale. So we gonna try like that. Okay, then I bought 550 baik kali nak beli ni sebab I don't know how to apply it. I always fail nak buat benda ni, which is eyeliner. This is from Maybelline. This is for the brush. And this code is 01 black. This is Eye Studio Lasting Trauma Gel Eyeliner. This is, and let's start. Okay, I just saw dekat Twitter yang they said that if we use aloe vera as our base before we apply the makeup, it would look awesome. So I wanna try prime my face using aloe vera. Wait, I will use this kind of aloe vera to prime my face. Dia cakap just ambil sikit to prime my face, so I just did first. Just you know, I letak aloe vera ni dekat peti ais dekat fridge, so bila you pakai and you feel like oh skin. Okay, foundation is from Silky Girl Skin Perfect Liquid Foundation and this is the tube. The code is 03 medium. Gonna put a foundation. Oh, I forgot to mention that I bought this concealer also from Maybelline and the code was, where is the code? 35 deep. I biasa pakai foundation sikit je sebab I don't like my face to be so macam tebal sangat. Okay, shout out my cute mirror from Daiso. Okay, next so concealer. I tukar lagi concealer ni and we gonna curl. This is my first time wearing concealer. Before this, I just use Budak Baby to cover my under. Oh yeah, I just found out that if you want to cover your dark circle, you red spot, you need to use color corrector, if I'm not mistaken. And I just I just saw the cat. I just saw dekat Instagram, which is they use lipstick for their color corrector, and if I'm not mistaken, they use the color corrector before they apply the foundation. And I think I just applied it. Nak apply ke tak nak? Actually it's not a color corrector, but actually it's lipstick, which is red. So I think apply sikit lah. Try je kita. The color correction have a lot of color, including lavender, including red, yellow. There's a lot of things if you Google it. So say, apa Tira ni tak reti nak lihat ni. I ingatkan sekali yang I'm not a pro for makeup. It's not even a tutorial. It's just a try a new product. It's a tutorial, a new product, try a new product, something like that. Okay, I'm not that pro, so I'm sorry if I'm doing this step mistaken. I'm so sorry. I'll admit it. We all see the tutorial a lot of times, 100,000 times we saw on YouTube, we saw on Instagram, but we still feeling it. Fit Me by Maybelline. I always love Maybelline so much. Good product. The quality of product is good. And I saw it on Instagram that many people use it. So they say make it a triangle under your eyes. Okay, we're gonna make it triangles under my eyes. Is that enough? It's not even a triangle though. Udah santai kenapa I tak pakai brush sebab I tak perlu lagi brush. I tak perlu lagi nak differentiate before. Brush ni untuk apa? Brush ni even for eyeshadow I sekali I cakap pakai. Okay, done. I tak beli contour sebab eyebrow. I use bedak baby je. It's for my big because I use it. I saw dekat Instagram and this girl are using Johnson Baby to bake the under of the eye. Okay. My eye. Okay. I'm so sorry kalau I bagi you ajaran sesat for this tutorial. I just do it for fun. Is it the right brush that I macam blend kan? Blend brush. What the difference between these two brush? Please tell me, guys. I'm just gonna wear what I want. Okay, so untuk for twist B, I saw they use the black one. Not the black one, but the dark color. Okay. So I'm gonna use Cocoa. I rasa sebelah kiri jadi tu. Honestly. Okay, never mind. Do our eyeliner yang which is I very takut sebab I fail at doing an eyeliner every time. Okay, so someone tell me, correct me if I do it wrong. You can comment down below and tell me, Tira tu salah, you need to do this, you need to do this. Okay, sebab doesn't matter how 1,000 times I watch the makeup video, I still doing the wrong one. Okay, I'm still a learner. It's my tutorial. It's not for you to follow. Okay, so celup okay. Kita celup. Lepas tu celup banyak ke sikit? Sikit je lah. Every time I tengok Instagram, dia punya mata ke bawah. I don't know what they look. Either they look at the mirror. Tapi I tak nampak. I nak dekat-dekat. Oh my god, please help me. Macam mana saya make up? Okay, dah tak nak kacau sebab dah nampak lawa. I'm just tak puas hati dengan the eyeshadow sebab I didn't really see much. Macam okay, we gonna go next to the mascara. I really love this mascara because of what? Because of look at the curls. Sebab I don't need a fake eyelashes for my lashes after I pakai this mascara, because you know what? Fake eyelashes is a what? Haram, girl. Haram. Okay, don't ever use fake eyelashes. Okay, just appreciate what you have. Okay, so I tak tahu whether I nak pakai belum ke pakai jadi. I will use whatever I like. Okay, so just okay. Dah tak kacau sebab dah lama. Okay, for information, I never did my eyebrow sebab you know macam lukis sini is a haram too, but I'll just kemaskan dia using aloe vera. Okay, ambil sikit nak kemaskan like this. Boleh je cakap Dia tak lebih kening tak cukup. I didn't ever cukup my kening. Sebab for me, my kening are better than ever. Memang I ada natural kening like this from the start. Okay, we're gonna go to the lipstick, but this time I will not wear this nude lipstick. Nope, sebab it looks pale. I will try this lipstick, which is the Clay Crutch, and I saw it and very pretty. Of course lah, pretty kan. Makeup mana je cantik, semua cantik. Even makeup anybody apa sama lah tu pun lawa. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Take time. Oh wait, there I'm done. This is Clay Crutch and wow. I suka sangat this type of color code sebab color tu macam tak lari with my skin. You're gonna apply it first. You're gonna apply the Vaseline first to our lips. Okay. The other tipsnya kalau you nak long lasting eyelashes, you can apply your Vaseline to your eyelashes. Okay. So you're gonna apply it. Okay. We're gonna touch it. The highlighter. This one. Okay. So we are done. Yang bezanya cuma my eyeshadow. Okay, and my mascara. Oh, look at it. Ooh, I don't know guys. My eyeliner is so messy. So thank you for staying until the end of the video. Honestly, why I learn makeup? Because I tried to make up myself during my wedding day or my E-day. I really wanted to make up myself and looks pretty and boost my confidence. So sebab I always get that ala kalau kau make up kau mesti nampak buruk, kau mesti nampak your flaws. Oh my god, I don't really care about that because you know what, I make up for my own self, not for you, okay? So for this yang nak belajar make up mesti macam alah aku make up tak semua je. No, it's about skills. It's about to boost your confidence level and it's fine to take time for you to make up. Okay, macam me take time to make up. I started belajar makeup when I was in secondary school, 15 years old like that, and I didn't even know what is eyeshadow, what is a highlighter. All I know is put a lip gloss on my lips, then it's over. So my lips nampak ni. So I'm gonna add up. This is OMG Silky Girl. Don't ever feel shame for yourself. Kalau you nak belajar makeup, just go there. If you nak masuk bathroom, you nak apply your lipstick, just go for it. Just masuk, look into the mirror and just don't even care about what people around you. Macam don't ever think about that. You just think about yourself, okay? Macam makeup sebab I want to look pretty on my boyfriend eyes because there is a lot of pretty women and I'm not one of them. Shout out to myself because I managed to buy this Maybelline product for I tak tahu lah, I dah kumpul berapa lama nak beli ni sebab every time I go to work scene I only buy skincare sebab I thought I cannot afford to buy this thing, okay? But shout out to myself sebab berjaya jadi broke within 1 hours. You know. No, it's okay. Don't ever regret that. Sebab I percaya apa yang I labuhkan akan balik kat I. Okay, you guys say it right. So take care. So thank you for staying for this video, and I'm sorry if my skills are not capai standard yang nak, and I'm sorry if this tutorial is not the right tutorial for you. Thank you, and thank you, Maybelline. do not sponsor I. Tidak lah. Okay guys, take care. Always think about yourself first. Put yourself first and be confident. And always feel pretty. Doesn't matter how many scars that you have. Doesn't matter, but always feel pretty. Okay? Oh, look at Malaysia. Oh. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.